Ready to unlock the full potential of your Tron holdings and dive into the world of decentralized applications? Let's get started by using Tron Network and Trust Wallet seamlessly. First, download and open the Trust Wallet app on your smartphone. If you haven't already once opened, you'll likely be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're creating a new wallet. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up a secure password and, very importantly, back up your recovery phrase. This phrase is your only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. So write it down and store it in a safe place, not on your phone. Once your wallet is set up, tap on the Add Tokens icon, which should be at the upper right of your screen. In the search bar, type TRX and enable Tron by toggling the switch to the right. Now you should see TRX in your main wallet screen. Now let's explore the essentials: sending and receiving TRX. Tap on TRX in your main wallet screen to view its details. To receive TRX, tap the Receive button. This will display your Tron wallet address as a QR code and as text. You can copy the address and share it with the sender to send TRX. Tap the Send button, enter the recipient's Tron address and the amount of TRX you want to send. Finally, confirm the transaction and wait for it to process on the Tron blockchain. Finally, let's talk about dApps in Trust Wallet. Tap the browser or dApps icon at the bottom of the screen. This may differ based on your device. This will open a browser within Trust Wallet where you can access various decentralized applications built on the Tron network. Explore these dApps to stake your TRX, participate in governance, or play blockchain-based games. And that's it. You're now equipped to navigate the Tron network with Trust Wallet.